Is your home overdue for a spring cleaning? If so, then this message is for you. Today I'm sharing some simple tactics that you can use right now that will help you and your home stay clean and organized all year long. I'm Evelyn Lopes with the Evelyn Lopes Realty team in iPro Realty. And the strategy that made the biggest difference for me is to tackle small tasks right away. Sometimes the mental load of thinking about a chore that you need to do is actually worse than the chore itself. Plus, handling small tasks right away can reduce the need for lengthy cleaning sessions. I try and work cleaning into my tasks. What do I mean by that? Here are some examples of how I work cleaning into my daily routines. When preparing meals, I clean as I cook. Rather than letting the dishes pile up while the meal is simmering away, I clean the counters and put the dishes and the utensils in the dishwasher. It helps keep my counters clear and there is less mess to clean up after dinner. In the bathroom, I hang up bath towels on a bar immediately after they're used. By allowing them to properly air dry, I can cut down on the frequency of laundering. Another tip is to bring items with you when you leave a room. For example, return plates and cups to the kitchen right away rather than letting them stack up in your rec room or home office. When coming home, hang up your coats and put your shoes, backpacks, and purses in the closet. It leaves the entryway tidy and clutter-free. If you implement these small changes, your home will stay neater and you'll minimize the number of dedicated cleaning sessions you need to take on each week. Check out our blog post for more home cleaning and organizational ideas. You can find the link in the caption. Then reach out if you need referrals for housekeepers, window washers, or any other home service providers. And remember, we're not just here to help you buy or sell your home. We want you to love living in it too.